And now I'm back from outer space. Hi guys, it's been a while. I'm so excited. As you all can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a Zara haul today. And I know that's a little different from what I usually do on this channel, but y'all, it's 2022 and it's all about trying and doing new things. So let's go.
Listen, care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know what?
Food compares, nobody comes close. Too hot, turn the bread into toast. Nitro, hit the gas, adios. I pull up to the scene, I'm a boss.
Alright, let's open up Big Papa. So I got about like 6 to 8 pieces from them. I tried to order things that would be sets and that would go together. So that I wouldn't have to be worrying about like, oh, do I have something to go with these pants? Do I have something to go with this shirt? Which is kind of a problem with a lot of the things I have in my closet, so. But yes, you see, isn't it so cute? I see the first thing I was really looking forward to, which is the Peanuts Charlie Brown set. It's so cute. It's very thick, and that's what I was looking at. It might be a little too hot, but I'm going to keep it when I go to places that are cold. A little Snoopy on the waistband. That's so cute. And it says Peanuts. Love it. Alright, so the next thing is this really cute pink top. I thought it was going to be more like flowy, but it's kind of, I don't know how to describe it. Maybe a chiffon. I got these pink pants to go with it. I know on the video, like you can see my face turning up. I know right there they look like they're the same color, but they are not. It's like the two separate shades of pink that I don't think would go together at all. And also like the fabric of the pink pants was just okay. It's kind of that fabric that's easy to snag, so you just have to be careful with that. But it also does have like a little opening at the bottom of the pants. That was really cute. Overall, like once you see me trying it on, both of them, the pieces were really cute. It's just they just really didn't go together. So now, besides Snoopy, I'm about to talk about my favorite piece from the haul. I love this shirt. Look at me. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I love the color. It has the most beautiful buttons on the side. It's like black with gold around it. The pants that I was going to get with it came separately. That's why I'm opening up another package. But when you put the shirt and the pants together, honey, you gonna be on somebody's island looking good. Okay, they're the pants. The pants are kind of like a linen cloth type pants, more towards the cloth. They also have like a nice little side part with it. It's really cute. Now I couldn't be quiet when I showed y'all how this one looked on. Like I said, that's like the separate piece on the pants. It has the belt, and you know, the top fits really well with it. Oh, I just loved it so much. Like you could be like in Jamaica somewhere. Shoot, you can even go on Target. I don't care. I just love it. Oh yeah, I thought the zipper. I didn't know what was going on. But hey, you open up, pop. I thought it was with this on both sides. They would have been sick of me. Sick of me. There go the buttons. It was really nice. Everything was just really well made, and it was really pretty. Do your dance, girl. Ow. So I really love this one too. I decided to get something that was a little different. I usually don't wear, but I've always wanted one of the corset tops. I thought they were really cute, and this one wasn't like too over the top. Wait, I just shocked myself. Like, why was I smelling it? And then I remembered it actually smelled really good. It was like perfume was on it. But now I think about it, I hope nobody was wearing it. Okay. Anyways, but yeah, so it's all jean. both the top and the bottom part are jean material. You saw the split at the bottom of the jeans that open down there. All together, when you see it on, you're gonna understand. I love this. It's so cute. Alright, that's all for me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Also, peekaboo, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.